I'm probably looking at something around $100 a month. Can you send me some information? Unfortunately, I do have to leave. I'm not just saying that. I do actually have to leave now in
Okay,
one
okay.
minute.
Okay, this is Parami and Mr. Anisur and me. We are teammate and we do Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube marketing, social media marketing and management, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member Mr. Anisur has audited your YouTube channel and found some on-page growth and optimizations related issues. So if you can fix the problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So mainly we will optimize your all on-page related problem and growth related optimizations, and then we will promote your videos and we will suggest you what should improve on your channel and what should not to do, and we also research your competitor. Overall, we will work as a manager of your channel. So for that work we have mainly two packages. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 videos, optimizations and promotions, and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is monthly package. In our monthly package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs 300 USD and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. And to start the work, we have two methods. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can optimize each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, you just send your video links to us. Then we will optimize from our side and we will make a report sheet. Then we will hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself. And our payment system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. So that is all about our price package and everything. So which package you want to start with?
Yeah, I don't know yet. I need to think. That's a wee bit more than I want to spend. So I just need to have a think about how much content I produce, what would be, you know, can you send me some information? Unfortunately, I do have to leave. I'm not just saying that. I do actually have to leave now in
Okay,
one
okay,
minute.
okay.
If you want to send me some information on that, I don't have I don't want to overspend. I'm probably looking at something around $100 a month. Would be I produce two main videos per month, which are interviews, but then I
Yeah.
also put out little extracts from those videos. So there are more videos, but actually there's only two big main interviews each month. So it's not a lot of content, so I don't want to spend too much.
Okay.
So I
We
just
we also can do your older video, already existing video, and new upcoming videos. Both type of videos we can do SEO.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Well, look, I send me that information. I do need to go. I need to go now. Sorry, I probably
No
shouldn't
problem.
have
No
arranged
problem.
this
No
call
problem.
now. Send me that information. I would be interested in trialing this. So perhaps we do, if you have maybe a trial package, or say around $50 for 3 or 4 videos that we can
Okay.
trial for the next few weeks. And then if I can see the benefit in that, then yes, we can maybe tailor a package to suit the volume that I create, if that makes sense. I don't want to overspend by paying for more than I need, but find a nice balance, which is affordable. you
Yeah,
know.
sounds good.
So if you could send me that, I better run.
Yeah,
But yeah, I am interested. But let's start with a few videos. Say $50. What can you do for me for $50?
we'll
How
do
many
we'll
videos?
we'll do your three video for $50, and it is our trial package, and you judge our work by taking this. And if you're satisfied with that, then you can rehire us for the packages. Sounds good.
Yeah, let's try that.
Okay, okay. So after finishing the meeting, we will send each of the things to your Gmail, and then we'll work according to your demand and niche.
Sure, sounds good. And let me know what you would need from me for that, like how to give you access, how to select the videos for you to work on.
Yeah, Anisur will
You
guide you.
know,
Anisur will guide you how to give access and how to select the videos and each of the things. Anisur would be your contact person, then he will guide you. No problem.
Sure, sure. Sounds good.
Okay.
Okay, thank you so much. I
Yeah.
appreciate
Bye bye.
that.
Yeah.
Thanks very much. Cheers. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.